and non-teaching staff also. The incoming and outgoing student executive of SMCA. And dear students, as I was noticing one thing, and I was correlating, because being a physicist, we always keep our brain engaged. Otherwise, there is no difference between me and Einstein. Einstein means a stone. The prominent thing which I was noticing is black and white. When it comes white, so it is a combination of, you can say, a 3 primary colors or a 7 different color or a shades of thousands of shades of all the colors. But on the contrary, the black is not considered, as a physicist I am talking first, as a color. So it is said to be absence of light is something called as a color, black. So it reminds me that you have different shades because you have white color. But mostly I have seen the white shirt and then this gold and black color. So why do you hide your colors? Maybe it is inherent in you. Every student who is taking education of a law can expect them as to be the person who is having the highest rank. Like I remember two names. One from Nagpur is Advocate Manoj. Another name Ram Jethmalani. But everybody cannot become a Jethmalani or Ram Advocate Manoj. Or there are many names. But everybody has to strive hard to achieve that state. And I think this activity of this SMCA, Moot Court, is one such activity which can make you a better person as an advocate. Because many times you need to put in front of the judges in such a way that your case is very strong. Whatever you are articulating, whatever points you are bringing in front, whether they are hidden or open, but it should be brought into the notice of the judge so that you can make your case strong. Beside this, there is a better way of providing hands-on experience to the students by many activities, but this particular activity which I think, I may be wrong, I don't know, is a better way because you are putting a case, maybe an imaginary case, and you are putting the case in such a way that you can try learning many things. Many times when I go to my class, first class, every session I used to talk to the students that whether you know your subject is not important at a prima facie, but you should have a confidence in you. And even though we have advanced to a great extent, a lot of advanced technologies is coming, but there is no such vaccine, no such medicine or anything which can build up your confidence that I can go to a medical shop or some shop where I can have a vaccination, like for COVID we have taken 2 vaccinations, and then my confidence from this to this will arise. So I have to develop my confidence through different kind of the activities, and I know Dr. Ambedkar College in particular is organizing many such activities. Like I was talking with Menon Madam, that this SMC is something like Unnati. Yeah, in Unnati also we are inviting so many people from BCA. And we are allowing them to have the communication, interaction, so that they can develop the confidence and they can do whatever they want to do. So I must congratulate the Department of Law for holding this activity from last 17 years, and it is running continuously. So my dear friends, there are so many things in my mind that I want to share, because I got this opportunity after 17 years to speak in front of this black and white people. And today I am standing here as a substitute, like we have in cricket or in any sport. The substitute is there who is always trying to get a chance. But being a timekeeper, because I have other activity also throughout the day, we are always, as I told you, that we are always keeping ourselves busy. Otherwise we start creating a chaos for other people. So I don't want to do that. So at last, I congratulate the organizer of this particular activity for incepting this from and running it successfully from last 17 years. And I wish all the best to you, so that you can participate in more such activity, not only this moot court activity, but other activities also which have been organized by the department or as such as a whole by the college. And enjoy your student life, because once you venture into your profession as an advocate or whatever profession you are choosing, you won't get this kind of the freedom. So with this few words, once again I am thankful to Varsha Madam in particular for inviting me here to share my views and my thoughts. Thank you very much.
Of SMCA, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of SMCA. I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge all the duties and responsibilities attached to my office, and that I will, to the best of my abilities, try to promote and